Okay everyone, this is cost and revenue as well as profit related topic, and this is also important topic because a lot of questions are asked from this topic, and this topic basically includes information relevant to fixed cost, relevant to variable cost, then average fixed cost, average variable cost, and then is total cost and average total cost. These kind of information are basically discussed here, and then we talk about revenue as well. Revenue is price into quantity, and then we may have to find out profit as well. Profit is the difference between total revenue and total cost. So directly starting questions from this topic. Question number 1 is the diagram shows the cost of a firm, and what is the total variable cost at an output of 100 units. Okay, so this is 100 units output, and we know that fixed cost is a cost which is a horizontal straight line. So this is fixed cost which remains fixed in nature. Suppose we have to pay 10,000. All these figures are in thousands. So $10,000 are basically fixed cost, and variable cost starts from origin point because we know that this cost depends upon totally output. If output is 0, variable cost will also be 0. So this is variable cost, and total cost starts from origin point, so we can label it as total cost. So examiner basically did not label it completely because he was expecting you to label it and try to find out. So you have to find a total variable cost. So to find variable cost at 100 units of output, what you have to do is you have to basically move to the variable cost. This is variable cost, and you can see it is 50,000. So 50,000 is correct answer. Okay, now coming to question number 2. In a company, fixed costs are higher proportion of total cost. Fixed cost is the cost which company has to pay when output is 0 or whatever output it produces. Fixed cost remains the same, like rent of the building is fixed cost. We have to pay it in each case. What will result in short run if production is cut by 50%? If we cut down production, then definitely our variable cost will fall, but our average cost will rise. Average cost will rise because most of the cost includes average fixed cost that cannot be avoided. So it will lead to higher average cost. So option A is correct answer. Option B is fixed cost will fall. Fixed cost never falls, it remains the same if you increase output or decrease output. Variable cost will rise. No, variable cost cannot rise because if you are reducing output, variable cost will fall. Total cost will remain constant. It cannot remain constant. Whenever you basically change output, total cost will change because total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost, and when you decrease output, then variable cost will decline, and if variable cost declines, then this right hand side will overall fall and left hand side must also fall. So option A is correct answer. Average cost will rise because most of the cost will have to be paid, and now output is lower, and average cost is equal to total cost divided by quantity. And if we are reducing quantity, mean denominator is decreasing and total cost is decreasing, but it would be decreasing with smaller rate because fixed cost will remain the same. Only variable cost is falling, so total cost will decrease with smaller percentage. So total cost means numerator will be now greater as compared to the denominator because output has declined by 50%. So this will be very low. So as a result, overall average cost, result of average cost will be high mathematically. And question number 3 is the retail store Woolworths has expanded the range of product it sells to include sweets, toys, and compact discs. What term describes this change? Whenever a business is basically focusing on many products, it is producing many products, it is called diversification. So option A is correct answer. It's not merger, it's not specialization, because specialization is focusing on one product and now we are diversifying. And then is integration. Integration is merger of two or more firms. It is expanding its own range of product. It is not integrating with any other business. It is not merging with any other business. Okay, then question number 4 says that the table shows a firm's total revenue and total cost. So this is total revenue and this is total cost. So what level of output gives maximum profit? The formula for profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. We have this total revenue and this is total cost. And if we see option 3, 30, output 30, total revenue is 30 and total cost is 21. The difference is equal to 9. So 9 is the profit, and this is the maximum profit we can get out of this. If we deduct 20 minus 14, the answer is 6. 25 minus 17 will give you 7, and this is 9, and 35 minus 27 is 8. So it means that this is the highest level of profit. So 30 is correct answer. C option is correct answer. And the next question is question number 5. The table shows the cost incurred by a firm producing computers. These are multiple outputs. What are the fixed costs if 3000 computers are produced? Keep in mind, fixed cost is a cost which we have to pay even if output increases or decreases or it reaches zero level, we have to pay the same cost. So it means the cost which we have to pay at zero level of output is fixed cost. So when we are producing nothing, we will be paying $20,000. All these figures are in thousand, so $20,000 will be paid even if output is zero. So this is fixed cost. It clearly shows that this is fixed cost, so we will choose option A. This is 20,000. And furthermore, this topic contains a lot of questions in this book, and all are arranged topically, and you can see how many questions are given in this book. And you can, if you are interested to, there are 73 questions in this book, and each question has been solved completely at the end. You can see how it has been completely solved. Each question has been worked out. So if you're interested to get this book, go to the link, and I will give you link of this book and you can get it from there. So this is it for this video lecture, and see you in the next class. Thank you.